I have a book here. Like, it's just full of questions na nakapaloob dito sa book na to. And we're gonna answer 1 or 2 questions from here. Though may mga mga answers na siya. Pero kasi matagal na to sa akin. So, of course, maybe the answer is like back. How cool would my 16-year-old self think I am right now? If I would go back sa any age, I would be forever 16. Kasi, I just love being 16. No, it's different from any other age. Like, whenever 15 ka, you're still, like, immature, whatever. But then if you're 16, you're between becoming an adult and you're still a teenager. Parang ganun. So, how cool would my 16-year-old self think I am right now? Siguro, my 16-year-old self will be proud of me kasi I could do these things. Just do it on my own. Parang, hindi naman sa I don't need other people's help. I just prefer doing it alone. Parang, I just don't want to be a burden to other people. So, if I can do it on my own, I will do it. But then, mali rin kasi na sinasarili mo na lang lahat. Right? And, parang, you're not meant to be alone. But then, sometimes, yes, it's nice. It's just me, I guess. So, and mabibilib sa akin yung 16-year-old self ko kasi no need ng explanations. So, gusto ko yung mga checklist kasi may mga checklist here. Okay. Choose between the two. Anxious or calm? Both? Both? Okay, yung mas, siguro anxious. Like, sometimes, you overthink things, you worry about things, but then, after, nagiging calm ka na syempre, so, yeah. Nauuna yung anxious before the calm, kasi that's the human nature, so. Stubborn or flexible? Stubborn. Stubborn gang. We're the stubborn gang, kasi tagas yung ulo ko. If I really want to do this, if I set my mind dun sa bagay na yun, like this one, gagawin ko siya, whatever, I'll risk everything for that thing, so, I'm just stubborn. Daring or cautious? Sometimes I'm daring. But sometimes, it doesn't hurt to be cautious. What? Moody or cheerful? It depends sa person na kasama ko. Yun naman talaga yun eh. Your vibe will be depende siya sa tao na kasama ko. If I'll be moody or if I'll be cheerful. Most of the time, depends. See big picture or detail-oriented. I'm really a detail-oriented person. But then, after being that detail-oriented person, ang fun lang na makita mo yung big picture, not just the details. It's also really about seeing the big picture, not just, gets you now. Competitive or cooperative? Everybody that knows me knows that I'm competitive. Like, hindi ako nagsisettle sa, okay na yan, ganito, ganyan. I don't settle sa mga ganon. I have this standard or whatever it is that inside of my mind na, okay, I will give my best in everything that I do. I will give my 100%, even though if it's not 100, but still, I'll give my best effort. Kasi, I only live once, so, and we only live once. Okay, pessimistic or optimistic? Of course, optimistic. We're on the silver lining of the things. Silver lining. We're not negative here. Walang negative dito. Walang negative dito, guys. Patient or hasty? Of course, patient. Personally, I could really wait. Pero syempre, meron yung hangganan, of course. And sometimes, hasty. But then, most of the time, you have to be patient in order for you to develop more, grow more. Next, suspicious is trusting. Trusting, of course. I can really keep secrets. Like, secret nga eh. So, I have a friend, for example. Then, nag-away kami or just, sinabi mo sa akin yun kasi you trust me. I will still keep your secrets kasi nga, secret siya. Or whatever. Maybe I'm just, too sentimental that even though people, just people, I don't know, secrets is secrets, so that's it, guys. you could actually buy this Shopee or whatever, sa mga online shopping platforms. And hindi to affiliate guys, I'm just sharing this book sa inyo guys kasi itong mga questions na nandito is about personal siya, and it could also ask this question sa friends nyo or sa jowa nyo if you guys want to talk about things, deep talks, mga ganun. Ang name niya is Burn After Writing by Sharon Jones. So, even though matagal na sa akin to, ang onti pa lang din yung nalagay ko. Kasi I'm more of a vocal person. I prefer na mag-talk, na kausapin yung sarili ko. Kasi naisulat dito. And, it's not wrong. It's not wrong. It's not that weird to talk to yourself, like what I'm doing right now. Pero, yung kausap ko, so, it's not weird or whatever. Like, kinakausap ko yung sarili ko sa public eh. Like, hindi naman yung parang baliw na kinakausap yung sarili. I'm just comfortable talking with myself. Kasi, I think, may talaga kami ng sarili ko. May bonding talaga kami ng sarili ko. And, try mo lang. Try to talk to yourself and see what happens. So,